We're super excited about our latest review. We work very hard to meet everyone's needs, and we really value hearing 5-star reviews like this one. Now we're sharing it with you. Attention to detail and great satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete care to each and every individual. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience and 5-star service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. Contact the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.